Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this training on how to use WordPress and Elementor to create simple and high converting sales funnel and landing pages. We have previously seen how to use the template library, how to save our own templates if we want to use them in our future sales funnels and pages that we build. And now I want to show you a feature which will allow you, it's actually another plugin which will allow you to have access to thousands of great free elements and templates that you can use with Elementor to build even better sales pages and pages in general. Now what we need to do is log in our WordPress administrator, where you probably are already. You can go ahead in the plugin section, in the add new section of the plugins main section, and here we are going to search for a plugin which is called Envato Elements. Okay, so we are going to search for this plugin, and you can see it's the first one from the left side which appears, and we are going to install it. And now it's installed and we are going to activate it now. And now the plugin has been activated. Okay, if you want to see where you have all the installed plugins on WordPress, you just have to go in the installed plugins section from the left side menu, and you can see all of the plugins which you have installed. You can upgrade them from here, deactivate them, delete them, and you can see that you have the Elementor which is activated and the Envato Elements which is activated as well. Now if we are going to have a look in the left side menu, we are going to see that we have a new plugin here which says Elements, and if we are going to click on this plugin, it's going to open for us. Thank you for trying and accept our terms. I agree. Continue, and bear with me for a couple of seconds. Elementor, okay, and now if we are going to scroll down, we are going to see premium templates kits, okay, and we are going to see different templates for Elementor. Some of them are premium, but we want to search for the free ones. Okay, filter. Show premium templates, show Elementor Pro templates. Template kits. Okay, so here we can find the templates kits, and if you scroll down long enough, we will find also the free template kits for Elementor from Envato. And we have lots of them here, okay? Niche Cafe, Climate Change, Brewery, you just have to scroll down. You can see that we have over 100 free template kits, which are a lot if you think about it, okay? We also have photos that we can use. You just have to go in the photo section. And again, you will have premium photos and you will also have free photos. So just have a look and you will see that you will find both of them. And obviously in the template section you have full pages templates like template kits, or for blocks. Okay, you have seen that Elementor has also blocks. Okay, free block kits for Elementors, hero, sub-hero, call to action, lots of interesting things, okay, for you to use, which is pretty cool. Let's for example take call to action and see what we have here. Main heading. Okay, so this is pretty neat. Okay, so this is how you can find new free templates and new elements that you can use. Now thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to our next lecture from this course on how to use WordPress and Elementor to build sales funnels and landing pages. In this lecture, we are going to discuss how to start to build a new sales page, and you will see that this is not complicated at all. First of all, you log into your WordPress dashboard, you go ahead in the left side menu in the pages option, and you select add new. And we are going to create a new sales page. You will be redirected and bear with me for a couple of seconds till this loads. And right now we will have to add a title to our new page, sales page test. Okay, before starting to edit with Elementor, and you have seen that we have the edit with Elementor button above here, we first have to save this as a draft. And it has been saved. Now we can go ahead and press the edit with Elementor button. And we will go ahead in the Elementor editor of the page. And what we are going to do here is load one of the landing pages, and then we are going to start to work on it, and I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can do. Okay, what I am going to do right now is first of all go in the left side menu of Elementor in the settings section, as you already know, and we will select the page layout as Elementor canvas, so that we only have the Elementor canvas here. Now, as you can see, because we already have shown you in the previous lecture, we have also installed the Envato Elements plugin, which allows us to have access to new templates, and that means to new landing page templates or sales page templates as well. So we are going to click on the Envato Elements, and we are going in the template section, and if you scroll down, we are also going to see the free templates kits for Elementor, and we are going to select a sales page or landing page if we see one, and let's see if we can find one that it's a good fit for us. Okay, let's just search here: corporate and business, creative and design, technology. Let's see if we can find corporate and business. Tech, insurance, marketing, business, okay, accounting, law firm, business coach, SaaS app. This one is pretty interesting. A SaaS app. Let's see what pages we have in this kit. We have the home page, case study, pricing, product, sale offer. Okay, usually what we are looking for at a sales page is a sales offer. Okay, so basically this one is the page that we are actually interested in. So what we can do is import the template. Okay, open template in the library, and we will be redirected in a few seconds because Elementor, it's loading the editor again. Got it. Okay, and this is our new page with the new template from Envato Elements installed, and here you can see we have all the blocks. Okay, if we scroll down, everything appears here. Okay, this actually looks pretty nice. Our app is on fire, hurry up. Okay, so pretty neat, right? Now what we can do right now, and what I want to show you, is how to add new elements to the page or edit the existing ones, and basically juggle a little bit around with section, columns, and other elements like that. But we are going to discuss about that in our new lecture, so in the next lecture. Thank you for your Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this training on how to use WordPress and Elementor to create sales funnel and landing pages. In our previous lecture, we have discussed about how to edit more specifically a header, but in a more general term, an element that we use on a page with Elementor. And now we are going to show you how to insert a new section with different columns, and then how to add like a section with testimonials or a video or other type of elements that are very useful for sales pages. So first things first, we are already in the editor of the sales page, and if we want to add a new section, let's say in the above part of the page, we just go on this icon, add section, and this pop-up will open, and we click on the plus sign, add new section, and we can select the structure of our new section. So let's say we want it to have 2 columns. Okay, and in these 2 columns, you can see them here, we can add different types of widgets. Let's say that in the left side one, we want to add a video, and we just click on it, and if we look in the left side menu, we can select the video from here, and we just drag and drop the video in the new section, and here we have the video placeholder. Okay, and if we go ahead and look in the left side menu, we can see that we have the video editor opened, and you already know how to add a video here. You just copy and paste the link from YouTube, or you can select one of the other sources of videos that you have. We can select a start time or a specific end time, and we have other video options as well depending on the player. For example, for YouTube we have autoplay, mute mode, loop, player controls, and so on. Okay, and we can also have an image overlay, which can be very useful for players like YouTube which don't autoplay with sound anymore. Okay, again, we have style also for video. The advanced options, you already know them. Now let's say that in the right side menu, in the right side column, we want to add a different element like text. Okay, and we will add some text here. Maybe we want to add a description for the video. Okay, and now the text has been added, and we just have to edit it in the left side menu. We can also add media inside the text section. We have different options for the text. The style is pretty much the same as for headers or for other types of text elements. Now another thing that we can add on a sales page and can be very useful, and we will add a new section so we can show you how to do that. Add a new section with only one column. It's basically a text with image, like a testimonial. Okay, and sometimes we have like an image box. Okay, so we have also the testimonials here, the actual testimonial widget, but you can also use the image box, okay, for, let's say, a more simpler type of testimonial. Testimonials are very useful as social proof for sales pages, and that's why we recommend you to use them. So let's say that we want to use the testimonial element. We just put it in here, and this is how it will look like. And we just add in the text section in the left side menu, we just add the testimonial from the person from which we have the testimonial, from that specific client, and in the choose image section we have to add the picture, the photo of the client. Okay, it's pretty simple, and you can see that we have other options here as well, changing the image, like a medium image maybe, but it's standard usually. Then name, title, designer, a link maybe to, let's say, the page of the customer if he has something like that, and then we are pretty much done. Okay, and we update the page. Now some other things that we can do is add buy buttons, and for that I will add another section, a simple one with only one column. So buy buttons are obviously essential for a sales page because that's why we are creating the sales pages, and we are going to add the buy buttons here. And the new button has been added. We just dragged and dropped it, and you can see that in the left side menu the button editor has appeared. Okay, let's just center the button, and you can see that it has different sizes. We will just make it extra large. We change the text of the button, buy now. Okay, type, we have different types of buttons: info, success, warning. And basically it changes the color because psychologically in our mind different colors represent different call to actions. Okay, we can also add an icon in the button, and the link we put it here. Okay, we can change the style of the button, typography, the text shadow, text color. So these are things which you can play around to see how the design looks like, and you just choose one which you think it's a good fit for your own sales page. Okay, because this obviously it's different for each type of project or sales page or product or offer that you want to sell. But basically this is how pretty much you add a buy button to the page. Now thank you very much for your attention, and in our next lecture we are going to discuss further more about a set of elements that we can use on our sales